Hey guys, this video is about letter sounds. Some letters make the sound that we call a bounce. It's a quick sound and sometimes we kind of like stamp it or bounce it on our hand. I'll go through each letter, the sound that it makes, so you can help, it will help you at home when you're working at home and out of school time. So I'll just go through the letters, their sound, and let's go. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, O, A, P, P, Q, Qu, T, T, U, W, W, X, X, Y, Y. Those are all the sounds that make a bounce. As you're going through and learning the letter sounds, practice your bounce.